Let's go out and burst firecrackers with our friends.
Just 2 minutes, Sapna. I'm about to finish this very interesting story of safety hero. He just arrives on time wherever there is a problem.
Hiya, come on, we're already late. They're all waiting for us.
Sapna, let me just finish the last few pages. I'm coming.
Help! Fire! Fire! Help! Help! Who's shouting?
Let's see what happened.
Hiya, look! A firecracker fell on that heap of dry grass and it caught fire.
Wait, let me quickly call the fire brigade number 101. Hello, this is Rahul. There is a fire outside our house. Please take down my address and phone number. Come immediately.
Within minutes, the firemen arrive and douses the fire.
Hello, sir. I am Rahul. Thank you so much for your prompt response.
So you are Rahul. Thankfully, it was not a major fire. But children, you all should be very careful while lighting firecrackers. Never throw crackers in air. It could be very dangerous. Not only it may lead to a fire, but you can also get injured.
We are very sorry, uncle.
We
will never throw firecracker again. We promise.
Parents, you all must ensure that children should light firecracker only in your presence. Children, you all should also wait till the time your parent or some adult joins you.
Sure, uncle.
Rahul, I would like to reward you for your presence of mind. You did a good job by calling us on time. Would you like to take a ride on the fire engine?
Wow, that would be so exciting. But can Sapna also join me for the ride?
Most definitely, you both can come.
Thank you. That would be a great experience for Rahul and Sapna.
Please don't worry. I will drop them back safely.
Rahul and Sapna enjoying the ride around the neighborhood.
Hey, we need to stop those kids.
What happened?
Those kids are burning sparklers in the balcony. That's very dangerous. Hey, stop! It's not safe to light sparklers on the balcony. Please remember, never light sparklers or firecrackers inside the house. Please find an open area away from homes and trees before lighting the crackers.
Uncle, those diyas are very close to the curtains. Please keep them away from the curtains, furniture and other flammable items.
That's right. Also remember to keep burning candles, mosquito coils, oil lamps out of children's reach. Have a safe and happy Diwali.
Thank you and happy Diwali to you all.
Rahul, how do you know so much about fire safety?
Uncle, we had special teachers from Safe Kids Foundation in our school. They taught us about various safety precautions to be taken during Diwali.
Oh, that's great. No wonder you were so quick to respond to the situation.
Wow! Bhaiya, look at that colorful sparkling light. Uncle, look! Those boys are bursting crackers on the road. It could be very unsafe.
That's right, Sapna. Hey, wait! What are you doing? Don't burst crackers on the road. You could damage vehicles.
Yes, the crackers can go under the car and cause fire.
That's right, Sapna.
Sorry, uncle. We were so excited that we didn't realize this could cause damage to vehicles. We will be careful next time and promise to light firecrackers in open areas.
Also, you were too close to the firecracker. Always use a long stick and light the firecracker from an arm's length. Otherwise, you may get injured.
Sure, uncle. We will maintain a safe distance while lighting crackers. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye. Have a safe Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Look, Bhaiya, at that cute little boy with a sparkler in his hand. How much he is enjoying.
Yes, Sapna. But why those 2 buckets kept over there?
Those are kept for fire emergency. One is having water and the other is having sand. In case of minor fire, you can either use water or sand to douse it. You can also dip the burnt sparklers in the water so that no one gets a burn. Come, let's get down. Happy Diwali to you all!
Happy Diwali.
Good to see that you all have taken safety measures to prevent any fire emergency. It is always better to be safe.
Firemen, Rahul and Sapna move towards the grown-up boys who were lighting firecrackers. It seems the cracker didn't burst. Let's light it once again.
Hey, wait! Don't go close to that firecracker. It could be dangerous. Never relight a firecracker that didn't ignite in the first go. There are chances that it may burst when you are trying to relight it.
Thank you, Uncle. We won't touch it.
Uncle, look, they're lighting an arc, and that Didi's dupatta can catch fire.
Yes, Sapna, you should tell her.
Didi, you must tie up the dupatta around your waist. Otherwise, it can easily catch fire from a small spark.
Yes, Sapna is right. You should always wear fitted cotton clothes while lighting crackers, otherwise, there are chances your clothes may light up.
Okay, Uncle. We will surely keep it in mind.
Okay, children, have a safe and happy Diwali.
Uncle, I always wonder why people don't follow simple steps to safety.
That's because some may not know about the tips and others may not remember it. Now, children, we are about to reach your home. Come, Sapna, get down. We have reached your home.
It's an amazing drive. We had so much fun.
Now please come to our home. I won't let you go without having some sweets.
Thanks, Sapna, but I must go on to my duty.
On Diwali, how can you go without having sweets?
Yes, Uncle. Mommy makes such yummy sweets. You must have it.
Okay, Sapna. Thank you. I will have one.
This is for you.
Okay. Thank you all. Rahul, Sapna, it was lovely meeting you. You both are brilliant. Not only you have learned safety measures, but you have used them to educate others as well. Keep it up. You both are safety heroes. Now I need to leave to ensure the neighborhood is safe this Diwali. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.
Thank you, Uncle. You are our superhero. Happy Diwali.